Alright, here's the Chicago Blizzard of 2011. Right now I'm in my backyard and holy shit do I have a lot to shovel. Just get some more shots around my house if I can get through the snow. Oh my god. Snow's about as deep as my knees. Snow drifts are almost to the top of my garage. Oh, holy crap. We're going to my alley. Hey, Michael. I'm just filming. Hey, you?
Is it working?
What, the camera? Yeah.
Okay, right here. Back up.
Actually, I'm taking video right now.
Take the video.
I don't know if you guys mind being on YouTube after this, because I'm going to send this to my family in Poland.
Poland? Hi, Poland. Welcome to America. It's beautiful, huh? You like it?
I don't like it. Ja to nie lubię. Nie lubię.
What's he say?
Nie lubię means I don't like it.
No, I like it. I like it. Very good, Paul. Very good.
Oh my god. This is going to take us a while to dig out.
You ain't gonna know it, Paul.
No shit.
What'd you do? Fall down?
No, I mean the snow in my backyard is up to my knees.
Come over here.
Alright.
And then you and Dino. Give me that camera.
I'm taking video right now,
Okay.
so yeah.
I'll just hold it there and point it?
Just hold it, there's a viewfinder right there.
Okay, I ain't gotta press no button though, right?
No, it's recording right now.
Oh, it's recording right now?
Yeah, we're just doing video.
Okay. Say hi.
Yeah. Well, hey YouTube, hey YouTube, I'm finally on the other side of the camera. You get to see my beautiful face.
See?
Go Italian 6, that's his YouTube channel. Alright, Dino, let me get the camera back. I had to freaking get the front of my house.
Goes, me and you know what? Oh, is it called?
Moje shot
Is it called now?
it's recording right now. It's a video. Hey.
Alright, guys. Very Paul, very good day.
Alright. Oh my god, look at all this shit.
All the flap.
Oh my god. Well, I'll be back here. I gotta take a front of my house. Yeah.
Who's shoveling your snow?
I think I gotta do it.
You gotta do it?
Yeah.
I never got my snow running.
Oh shit, what's wrong with it?
I don't know, I got it right there.
Hey, you know, I'll pause the video. You want me to take a crack at it for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
You
hold
just
on.
started. You can have it. You use it.